we started to work with Staria, we were looking for a new ERP. We wanted to have data available at all times, and also we wanted to have more of a modern take on the ERP, so we really wanted to level up the whole ERP system. My name is Mikko Ikonen, and I'm the CEO of Rakennuskemia Oy. We develop, market, and sell different kind of DIY and hardware store concepts. We have over 1,000 SKUs in our product assortment. We are normally known from our brands like QuickLoader, WTF, which stands for World's Toughest Fix, RK, or some of the brands that we distribute like Dupli, Bison, Tytan, or Mellerud. Our goal is to make our brands known internationally, because the products that we have within our brands are often a little bit more user-friendly or ecological or sustainable than many of the products on the market. And of course also the way we work, we like to promote that also for other retail partners in the world. Thankfully, Staria saw us as a growth company, and were able to really convince us why NetSuite is the right choice for us, because it has really enabled us to start up new subsidiaries also outside Finland, and in general fulfill our needs as we have been growing as a company. Our collaboration with Staria actually has expanded since we started the ERP project, because we've needed new services step by step. And for example, I wish we had changed to Staria payroll already years ago. We kind of see Staria as part of our team. They know our systems very well, and because the personnel hasn't really changed along the way, or very little change, we feel that they really know what we need, and instead of just scripting, it also includes advising. So as we grow as a business, we see that Staria hopefully can be our partner in the different countries that we enter into. Like just now we started with Sweden, and also we started with Staria payroll in Sweden, and we really hope that we can continue to develop this relationship in the same way, that as we enter to new markets, Staria is there to support us, because it's much better and easier to work with one reliable partner instead of finding new partners in each country. And as a small business, it's really a good solution to have one reliable partner. Who wouldn't want to work with a partner like that?